What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to protect your profits as well as where to place your stop loss. So listen, guys, do me a favor, please make sure to like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes, and without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, say this, write this in the chat or the comments below for me. Protect your profits. Write this down. Protect my profits. How to use a stop loss and where to buy. That's what we're going to cover today. That is what the lesson is going to focus on, guys. Listen, Palantir will be the topic of discussion. If you guys have been around for any amount of time, we got this at $20. Most recently, it is now at $40. Okay. Matter of fact, it is up over 100% year to date. I need to now teach and show you what do you do next on your journey and just in general as investors. Okay, this is how you protect your capital, and I want to teach and show you that on today. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, I have Palantir pulled up on a 1-day time frame. As you can see, boom, price target is hit, and it is early October, $40.01. As of Friday, it is up 1.9%, 1.96%, almost 2%. After hours, it is down here, down around 10 cents at 39.91. Okay, now check this out, guys. We have had a rocket ship, you know, all the way up to this level right here. This is that $40 level right there. Okay. And so we have been in as a family, okay, we've been in at this level around $20. Okay, 20 is back here or way down here, if you guys can see that low. Okay, we caught it there, and what we specialize in is buying low. Now we're up here at that target. All right, but with that being said, check this out. Take some notes on this. If you have shares of Palantir and you've been a part of the same gang and you've been with Coach, I need you to chart this out. Number one. Okay, do you guys see this level right here? That is $37. Okay. That is an area that you can have a stop loss. This level right here underneath, okay, that is another level for you guys. $35. You can have your stop loss. Okay, you have a gap fill down here. All right, the gap fill is going to coincide with this level. I could easily give you guys this level, but I'm not. Okay, this will put you around $31. Your stop loss can go there. Okay, and then look down here at this 200 support right here. That's the 200 support. This and below is our buy zone. This is where we rinse and repeat. Okay, I'm gonna move this out the way because you guys understand support. You should understand support. This buy zone equals rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. So you can buy it again down here. If you missed it on the first time Coach gave it to you, it's going to run up and do the same thing over and over, but then in the future it's going to go higher than $40. Okay, or whenever it pull back, it's going to go higher than $40. It's going to make new all-time highs, but you want to lock in profit somewhere along the way. I don't know exactly where all you guys bought. I know the levels that I gave out instructions. So if you are with me in options, you're up thousands of percent. In shares and investing, you're up 136%. So what I need you guys to understand is the stock is not going to stay up forever. It's going to go to 40, 42, 43. But the moment that it begins to come down, you need to lock in that profit, especially if you bought low like you were instructed to do. So where do you want to lock in your profits at, and then be thinking about where do you want to re-enter at. Now I showed you the zone that you need to re-enter, the buy zone for the rinse and repeat. Okay, but you still need to do other work in terms of, if you've been with me since $8, $12 or $16, you have made an absorbent amount of money. So with that being said, guys, where are you going to lock in profit? You can do it at 37, 35. Your stop loss can be at any of those levels. You don't have to sell anything. You place your stop loss so that when the market, on its own random timing, nothing, no one knows when, decides to come down, you are able to lock in profits. But if it don't come to that level, you just stay along for the ride. Okay, you can also do a trailing stop loss as well, guys. And so I just wanted to show you these levels. Write this down. 37, 35, 31 are some levels that I want you guys to consider where you are going to have your stop loss at, because you're protecting your profits. You're not letting it come back down to 20. If we see 20 again, we are buying it up. We're backing up the Brinks truck and we're going for the rinse and repeat. If we see anything lower than that, we're really going crazy. But I want you guys to understand, I can't teach you how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars and then you just do nothing and you just think it's going to sit there at that level. Hopefully through learning to trade options, you see the importance of the work you have to do in terms of see profit, take profit. Okay, now does this mean sell your whole position? Absolutely not. Okay, guys, I retired young. I have millions of dollars all across the stock market. One thing I can tell you, I've seen the market look like it was never going to come down, only to see it come down to prices I never thought I would see again. But it taught me a valuable lesson, because I, years ago, didn't do anything. I just sat, let it run up, make millions, and I let it come all the way back down till I was just back to the amount I originally put in. That wasn't a fun feeling, when I could have just took profits when it was way high and then been rebuying again when it came back down for the rinse and repeat. That's why I have introduced that terminology, that mindset, that style of trading to you all, because if you sit idle, not only on a down year will all of those gains get wiped away, you might go negative. You might be down when you guys are up 40%, 60%. If you got Nvidia or Palantir, you're up over 100%, 200%. Okay, and so we've been chopping this thing down this whole time with a consistent strategy for wealth building, for wealth creation, helping you guys get off the corporate plantation. But there's work you have to do. So I'm teaching and showing you guys where to place your stop loss. So whether you listen to this with your ears or whether you visually watch this with your eyes, I need you to place your stop loss at one of those levels. Whatever target you want to place it at, you determine that. But you got to lock in some money when the stock come back down, because we got to have money. We just use the house money, guys, to rebuy all this over again. I have been a millionaire 2 times over with Nvidia, Tesla. All these plays do the same thing. This is why Coach is giving you this wisdom and this insight. These plays run up. Our job is to buy them before they run up so we can enjoy the fruits of it. They run up. But then at some point, whether it's the recession they're talking about, whether it's a down year in the stock market, say it's coming 2026, when sometime we don't know about, say some COVID stuff happens, say some black swan event happened with the global economy, the wars, whatever it may be, unforeseen things, the port strike, whatever they may want to use as a catalyst to crash the market, when it do, you're going to want to have dry powder readily available so that you can then buy stocks that you have been wanting to get. You can buy these assets now at a much lower valuation, at a much lower price, so you can accumulate more shares. That's what this game comes down to, can you get the 1,000 shares that we talk about so that when it do run up 136%, you're able to see that life-changing compound effect, okay? This is what it's all about, guys. And so today I just wanted to kind of just get in my bag a little bit and kind of just show you levels that you need to place your stop loss. Don't let the market come back all the way down to where you bought it at. You can lock in some profits so you can have money to rebuy as a stock come back near or to or lower than where you got it at. Let me know if that makes sense, guys, because again, I've been around this game a long time. The last thing I want to do is hear you guys on a coaching call say, Coach, I bought Palantir with you at $19, $16. Man, I never thought it was going to come back to $16. And it's now $11. And I got 5,000 shares. Okay, not that that's the end of the world, but you don't have to go through that when Coach has put you firmly in position with proper daily consistent teaching, hand holding, accountability, okay, walking alongside you guys, getting you to a level. Okay, so now some of you were skeptical. Now you graduate from skepticism to belief. Now you go from belief to knowing it's possible. Now you go from knowing it's possible to now you got to execute. Those are the progressions you guys got to go through, and it's okay. I've been doing this a lot longer than most in this game, okay? So what I'm trying to say is don't let this hard-earned money we have earned through investing, through watching these daily videos, through following instructions, don't let it go to waste by not doing something, at least protecting your capital when the market is up there. You don't got to sell, but place a stop loss on so that when it do crash, you're going to be like, whew, man, I'm happy Coach took a time out his day and made this video for us. Because across the board, holistically, he's looking out for our well-being, trying to teach us how to make money, trying to show us how to make money, trying to tell us how to protect the money he helps us make by where to place our stop loss, when to place our stop loss, when we need to rebuy again, okay? Because when you buy quality companies, the good thing about that, you can rinse and repeat till you can't rinse and repeat no more. Guys, listen to this. If you were with me for one-on-one coaching and I helped you build your portfolio, you need 1 to 3 stocks. 5 is good, no more than 10. With the amount that I'm talking about, you can just do the same thing over and over. You're going to be like, man, like how I say, I've made millions of dollars off Tesla alone, just rinsing and repeating. When it goes down, I buy the dip. Tesla go off on a tear. I always have taught you guys that Tesla go up $7 to $10 every day. But think about what that does over the course of 2 years, 4 years, 3 months, 1 week, when they have a crazy run. I'm talking about when they go up, because it go down $10 every day too on a red day. But when you can do that and you catch one of those crazy runs, but you have $1 million, $500,000, $300,000, $250,000, $100,000, $50,000 in it, guys, it grows your wealth in such an exponential way that you kind of see the light in terms of how to get ahead. And so Palantir was one of those ones I did that with for you guys. We are clearly and firmly at our $40 price target. Okay, one of the only people that come on, I told you, we're buying leaps on this. What contract to buy, what expiration date to buy, what delta to choose. And now, boom, we're sitting firmly at this $40 level. So now you got to protect your profits. So listen, man, I didn't want to harp too much. Just wanted to kind of do this lesson for any of my Palantir shareholders. Matter of fact, before you get up out of here, let me know how many shares you got. Let me know what's your average cost. Okay. And if you made money this year in Palantir, whether through investing and or trading options, either or, okay, both would be preferred, but either or is fine. All right. Listen, guys, phenomenal job if you have just did nothing more than just listen and follow instructions on the plays we have given and the home runs we have hit. So with that being said, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. But check this out, guys. I need you in the Discord first thing in the morning so we can set the tone for the week. Monday does that. Okay, everybody else consider joining the money team. Send me a screenshot, text message, email, whatever you need to do with your correct email address, because we're hitting the ground running first thing in the morning. Okay, listen, guys, grab some stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.